Tired of fumbling with complicated setups? Let's get your Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra connected to your Xbox in under 90 seconds. First, unbox your Stealth Ultra headset. You should have the headset itself, the charging dock, and the USB cable. Make sure everything is accounted for. Now, plug the USB cable into one of the available USB ports on the front of your Xbox. Connect the other end of the USB cable into the back of the charging dock. This provides power to the dock and allows it to communicate with your Xbox. Navigate to your Xbox settings menu. You can find this icon on the main dashboard screen. It looks like a gear. Within the settings menu, scroll down and select the audio option. This is where you'll configure your headset settings. In the headset audio settings, ensure that the headset audio output is set to headset. Place your Stealth Ultra headset on the charging dock. The dock will now automatically pair with your Xbox. This might take a few seconds. And that's it. Your Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra is now connected to your Xbox. Enjoy immersive gaming.